This is Vikram Prasad Baliawala in USA. मैं विक्रम प्रसाद बोल रहा हूँ USA से. I have told in one of my tips that there are several problems in home that will happen one after the other, and you have to know either to do yourself because labor cost is very expensive here, or have somebody else done. Here I'm showing my toilet stopped working well and water was running from the flush. So I had to turn off the water and then went yesterday to buy this. This is one called, it is a universal long-lasting fill valve. So it is a fill valve, as you can see from this side. And this is the one that goes bad most of the time. Second one is a different kind. As you can see here, this is another toilet fill valve. So this is the valve that you see here. This is the one that goes bad, and then water will keep running in the toilet. So either you change this one using this inexpensive system for about $6, or the other one I showed you for $19. Then the other thing that goes bad sometimes is this flapper. This flapper that closes the commode, and this one pulls up when you flush, and then no problem if it is doing fine. So yesterday I bought this universal type inexpensive flapper. I'm going to show you what the problem is. The problem here is about this toilet, and in toilet you can see this is the fill valve, and then on this here, that's where the flapper goes and it hangs here. So इसमें क्या होता है कि this system सारा काम करता है बहुत अच्छा से, and then water will flush here, no problem, and there is a handle too. So I had to turn off this shut-off valve. So then there is this knob here, and there is a thing here at the bottom. I don't know whether you can see or not. So question is, can I do it myself or not? So yeah, this is the pipe. So I have to remove this pipe, and then the top one, and then pull this out and replace with a new one. I have no idea if I can do it or not. So आज तक मैंने पूरा सिस्टम कभी नहीं चेंज किया है. I have never changed this myself. Normally I call plumber and he will come and fix it. This time he has not come. He's so busy. So I'm stuck with this situation, and here are my tools. So these are my tools that I may be using. So it is not easy as a homeowner. I may be using this plier, yeah, this plier, or this plier. So again, I hope that I'm able to put these together. As I said, I have never done before except this flapper. So let's hope that I'm able to do it. Thanks for watching.